Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with BlackRock Aladdin. Not detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with BlackRock Aladdin, visit the Aladdin website. On the home page, locate the register button. Click on the register button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a new page with a registration form. Fill out the required fields, including your full name, email address, and organization. Select your role within your organization from the drop-down menu. Enter a secure password that meets the specified criteria. If applicable, include your organization's identification number. Review the terms and conditions presented on the screen. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Click on the Submit button to complete your registration. After submission, check your email for a confirmation message. Follow the link in the confirmation email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Aladdin login page. Enter your registered email and password to log in. You should now have access to the Aladdin platform. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section for troubleshooting tips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.